Feeling stressed, overwhelmed by life? What if I told you that the solution might be right in your backyard? Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a scientifically proven way to reduce stress and improve your well-being. Let's dive into the facts. Studies show that gardening is one of the best natural stress relievers. Here's why. Gardening lowers cortisol levels. A 2011 study published in the Journal of Health Psychology found that gardening reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, more effectively than other leisure activities. When you garden, you focus on the present moment, feeling the soil, watching plants grow. Research shows mindfulness reduces anxiety and depression. Seeing the results of your hard work, whether it's a blooming flower or a thriving vegetable, boosts confidence. A study from the University of Exeter found that people who garden feel more fulfilled and satisfied with life. Gardening is a moderate-intensity workout. The CDC states that just 30 minutes of gardening can burn up to 300 calories, improving heart health and releasing feel-good endorphins. A 2019 study in Frontiers in Psychology found that spending just 20 minutes in nature can significantly lower stress hormone levels. Gardening shifts your focus away from stress and onto something productive, helping to clear your mind. Eating homegrown produce is healthier. Studies show people who grow their own food eat more fruits and vegetables, which boosts mental and physical health. So, whether you have a backyard, a balcony, or just a few pots on your windowsill, gardening can help you de-stress, feel happier, and live healthier. Ready to give it a try? Let me know in the comments what you'd love to grow. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on living a stress-free life.